We talked about the freedom of Rule 3 and being able to adapt and make changes. But you might find yourself thinking, okay, but really, what if I don't have any money to cover it? That can be a problem when you first get started, for sure. But the truth is, when you start following Rule 1 and give every dollar a job, you will have money set aside for things. And you'll be tracking your spending, a surefire way to spend less. You'll also be following Rule 2, embrace your true expenses, which means you'll be setting money aside for things every single month. Things like car repairs and home maintenance and anything that you deem important. Bottom line, you'll have money on hand. Cash flow is no longer a problem. Rules 1 and 2 put you in that position, and Rule 3 just gives you permission to change your plan as needed.